hope you guys are getting this. So yeah, we just took a little ride. So take a look at this little bad boy.
Nas decided, hey, I want something fun. What can we do to it? The stage 3 engine, fully built, turbo kit. Right now it is a small turbo. Turned it down to 10 psi. Just the BMW stitching.
Guys, look at this right here.
Look at the seatbelt.
This thing has a pool. Are you sure this car is the year that you say that it is? Woo! Guys, the pool on this car, it's like nothing else. That's all I can say. He said, you want to go for a drive? And I was like, you best believe I do. And the interior on this car, it's just amazing. This red, I don't even think, hopefully, again, like I always say, hopefully the camera does justice. Guys, listen to this turbo. If I want to cry. I don't know if I want to cry or if I'm happy right now. Woo. Wow. I mean, I'm not tearing yet, but yeah, I'm not tearing yet. Jesus, this is aggressive.
Sounds loud.
Wow, this thing is aggressive, guys. I hope you guys are getting this. Wow, this is too much.
Snappy for what it is.
No. Trust me. I mean, for again, this car for this year. Hold on, so they can hear that turbo. When you guys get that turbo. It's a 92.
92.
Okay. 325.
325.
Okay.
With an M20 engine, but we swapped an S52 turbo out of a 99 M3. S52 engine, fully built, and it's got a 6-speed gearbox out of an E46 M3. It makes 700 at the tire.
You said 700 horsepower.
700.
I mean, no wonder that's why we're getting those pools. We're getting this crazy pools out of here.
Actually,
guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, we just took a little ride. So we got Hayyan over here, and I'm gonna let him tell you what he done. This is not even his car, but he's the one that built it, and it is a whole mess. But I'm like, listen, you're the owner of this car. And he's like, I am not. Hayyan, talk to me about this car, guys. Take a look at this. Take a look at this little bad boy. Hayyan, you too far for me, Hayyan. Come closer to me. Talk to me about this bad boy. What year and what have you done to it?
I am not the owner of this car. This is a friend of mine's car. Nas from Queens, New York. It's a 92 325i. Originally had an M20. Then Nas decided, hey, I want something fun. What can we do to it? So I work for 5150 Autosport, and we specialize in BMWs. So we set him up with the stage 3 engine, fully built, turbo kit, and we dropped it in this car. So this motor is an S52 out of a 99 M3. Okay. So we found the 99 M3, and we took a motor and a bunch of stuff from it, put it in this car. See, I'm trying to remember what we did to it.
Guys,
so it's a fully built motor.
okay.
That engine is capable of 1,200 horsepower. Right now, it is a small turbo. It's got a G30 900.
Okay.
Car's making 700 at the tires. When we turn it down,
That's 700 horsepower.
700 daily wheel at the tires. We turned it down to for this weekend. We turned it down to 400. We have a fuel pump issue, but we turned it down to 10 psi just so we can be here.
Wow.
We'll take it back to the shop. Actually, K&B is working on the car. He's in Stamford, Connecticut.
Okay.
He's a good friend of ours. He was in charge of putting the car, assembling the car together. So he will be taking the fuel system apart and putting the upgraded pumps, regulator lines, so we can turn it back up.
You can turn it back up. And how much horsepower can the engine hold?
The engine can hold 1,200.
1,200.
1,200. The motor was built for 1,200, and hopefully soon we'll see 1,200. Right now, I don't think the max you're gonna see out of this setup is 750. Just because we switched it to a smaller turbo. But it's just a matter of swapping a turbo and dialing it in.
Wow.
Our friends from NMK Performance in Dubai helped us tuning. They did a great job. The car drives like it's factory. Instant throttle response. That's what I love about this car.
Yeah.
Coming up here, I drove from New York this morning. It's great. Driving on the highway.
I see you grinning, so.
Yeah, it was really well. Like driving it was. I had a lot of fun driving it.
Oh my lord! I can imagine people were having fun looking at you.
And no car kept up on the highway.
Oh.
F90 M5s, F10s, bunch of the G80 guys. They were just falling behind. I mean, this thing's pretty light and it makes good power for a street car. And we want to keep it a street car. This is not our.
Yeah.
We have other track cars. We have a drag car, but this is a street sleeper.
Street sleeper, no.
That's what the owner wants it to be. He wants to be able to drive it on the weekend, have fun with it.
That is super loud.
We have actually a 6-speed gearbox out of a E46 M3. We have a twin disc clutch masters, injector dynamics, ARP hardware, CP Carrillo pistons, CP Carrillo rods.
Let me go around real quick. Wow! Again, this build. This is a beautiful car, man. You know, and again, just to have it here, I was telling him that I was looking. I'm like, who the hell is the owner of this car? Because you already know, guys. We got to talk. We definitely got to talk. And keep telling me, huh?
Yeah. And let's see, what else we got?
Talk to me about the setup. So what you have putting that power down right now?
So the car was converted to a Z3M spindles. Z3M. It's a 5-lug front rear axles diff. What else we got? We got KD 3-piece wheels.
Okay.
I don't know the specs of those wheels, but
yeah.
Feel free to reach out to KD powder code. He's in the Bronx, New York, Webster.
Okay.
That's what he does.
And this car's pretty low, so of course it's sitting, I can imagine, on bags.
The owner insists on keeping it on bags.
I see you're not a fan. Talk to me.
I am not a fan.
You are a straight racing guy.
Correct.
So you know, the bags are obviously for a lot of people is just for cosmetics.
Correct.
If you're really racing, you're not gonna come and put bags on the car.
Hopefully I'll get to convince Naz to put him on a set of KWs. And we can do proper alignment and drive it on the street safely.
Man. And talk to me about this interior. What you got in there?
Interior was done by our friends at 718 Autosport, Webster, New York.
Guys, look at this interior. I mean, it is very red, but it is very nice.
Well, Naz made sure. He picked the color.
No, I mean, again, this.
That's what he liked. I mean,
yeah, no, it looks nice.
The BMW stitching.
Guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this stitching and look at this right here.
Look at the seatbelts.
Look at the seatbelt. Wow.
Yep, they redid the carpet for him. They did the dash, the seats. You got the It's a hard top. It's hard to find a hard top, but they did it suede.
So so this is actually convertible as well.
Correct. This is a
Wow.
Yeah. It has a hard top on it, but there's a soft top under.
Okay.
That,
Wow. So
he drives it topless in
Okay,
New York, but
I mean,
it's pretty cold.
yeah, I mean with that interior.
I'm shivering here talking to you. I'm from Florida. I just moved to Florida, and I'm shivering.
Oh man. Again, yeah. Who wouldn't want to drive topless with that interior? Huh?
Not only that, he's got a big Baka boombox.
Woo, guys. As you guys can see, yeah, this is a daily, and he drove this here. 700 horsepower, guys. Wow. Yeah.